tools when we need them. Now, let's go take care of the puppy. Fetch. Bath. Lunch. Ah! What's the first thing on Clarabelle's list? Fetch. Right. But what are we going to play fetch with? Oh, I know. Why don't we check our mouse and tools? Everybody say, "Oh, toodles!"
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Wycomico County in southeastern Maryland, central Worcester County in southeastern Maryland until 12:15 a.m. At 11:48 p.m. Severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Snow Hill, or 16 miles northeast of Pocomoke City, moving northwest at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Wycomico and central Worcester counties, including the following locations: Mount Wesley, Whitten, Shadartown, Willards, Public Landing, and Pownellville. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA.
A shovel, a glue stick, a super bouncy ball, or the mystery mouse tool. What can we use to play fetch with Bella? The super bouncy ball. Right! We've got ears. Say cheers! That's right, Pluto. It's your favorite super duper bouncy ball. Okay, Bella, let's go play some fetch. Ready, Bella? Here it comes. Great jumping, Bella. Okay, Pluto, your turn. Bella, wait! Bella! Oh, Bella! We better go find her. Come on! Oh, hiya, Daisy.
Hi, guys.
You didn't see a little dog run by, did you?
No, but I did hear some barking flowers.
Barking flowers? That's Bella. We're puppy sitting.
I can help you find her. What does Bella look like?
She's got orange and white polka dots.
Well, I don't have any orange and white flowers, so let's look.
Do you see Bella hiding in the flower garden? Where is she? Yeah, there she is. Good spotting, everybody. Okay, Bella, you can come out now.